What's up, y'all? Basically want to do this video basically about child support and man rights. I want to do that basically because after a few conversations with a couple of my boys about basically parenting rights and them paying child support and how often they get to see their kids, I kind of realized that a lot of fathers out here who are actually trying to be in their kids' life don't really realize that they can use the system to their advantage to really kind of avoid the headache of trying to deal with your baby mama, if that's what you like to call her. But I'm gonna give you basically a few tips on how to go about that situation, how to deal with it through the legal system. First things first, you gotta make sure you got a job, make sure you have a car, make sure you have your own place, and pretty much make sure your background is pretty much clean. Don't have negative people in your life, any stuff like that, because the plan here is basically that you're going to take your kid's mother to court for parenting rights. Not too many fathers ever do that. And basically once you do that, just go down to the courthouse. Just like in Michigan, we got a legal aid help office that'll help you do all of that. Will help you file the paperwork. And basically what you want to file for is joint legal and joint physical custody. This way, when you do that, you can request the amount of time that you want to see with your kid. And you get to sit down in front of a judge and explain why you want more time with your kids, why you feel like you should have more time with your kids, and what kind of a benefit of you being in your kid's life. And the judge will hear you out and take into consideration what you have to say. But like I said, you have to make sure you have your stuff together if you're going to go this route of trying to be able to be in your kid's life without the hassle of your kid's mother and her telling you no or not letting you see the kid based on child support payments or whatever it may be the case. Because basically once you do that, a judge going to see that you're taking the initiative that you want to be in your kid's life, which I'm hoping that is the case, and this is why I'm doing this video. He's going to grant you parenting time. He's going to grant you a parenting schedule. And basically what that does for you is it allows you to have a set time to where you can have your kids or whatever. And if your kid's mother decides that she doesn't want to follow that, she can have repercussions behind that situation. Like for instance, losing her kids to you because it's a law-abiding court order. So she has to follow it. And essentially, like I said, this can help you out with your child support payments if you're not on child support or further down the line, because the more time you spend with your kids and it's documented through the courts, the less money you're going to have to pay because they're spending more time with you or whatever. And I don't personally think it's fair that you should spend $400 or $500 a month on your child if you have your child half of the time of the month. Anybody that thinks that's fair is pretty much crazy in my opinion. But if you're not taking care of your kids, yeah, pay up that money. If you're not trying to see them, if you're not trying to be there for them, this video is not for you. This video is for fathers who are trying to be there for their kids and have a baby mama who's making life a little bit difficult for them. Let me know if this information was helpful to you at all. Please hit the share button so somebody else who needs to hear it can hear it. Tag somebody in it, do what you do. Got any questions for me? You want to see something that I talk about done into a video? You got any questions that you might want to do into a video? You can either send me a message on my fan page on Facebook at amanandhiswords, or through the Gmail account that I have at amanandhiswords@gmail.com. Other than that, check out the shirt and the hat. Basically, I'm helping out a friend supporting this company. It's called Pure Mittenwear. If you want any information about how to get a hold of any of this, a shirt or a hat, just contact me on Facebook or through the email that I told you about.